Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you guys how to strip this kind of SJT wire today. Basically, if you look at it, there's 3 wires inside and it is covered in plastic or whatever you want to call this stuff. So sometimes it can be really tricky to strip this without damaging the wires inside. It kind of comes like this. This is kind of what you want it to look like. And this is what I was trying to tell you in today's video. Basically, I was touching these together at work and it blew up. Just to test the circuit, it was on and that turned it off. So anyways, the easiest way for me to do this right now, you can take a razor blade or a razor knife and cut around this, but sometimes if you go too deep, then you'll damage the wires and then you have to tape them. So the easiest way to do this without damaging it and making sure you don't mess the wire up and then it's too short. Basically just take your strippers and basically you just kind of want to score around it, so just lightly cut it, just lightly press on the strippers and then twist around it. You can either kind of go back and forth or however you want to do that. Just twist the wire or just twist the strippers, and then once you do that, you can test it, see if it's deep enough. You can kind of just bend it and you'll start to see the wire in there, and as you can see, it's just barely breaking, so that's just the perfect amount to do that. Kind of just bend it around, all around the edges where you scored it at, and sometimes you won't get it deep enough, but other times you can. So right now it's about halfway. If you see this right here, and then sometimes you can pull on it really hard and that'll do it, but I don't think this one's going to do it because it's kind of at different lengths. So once again, I'm just going to do this again. I usually stick it in the wire part so it's round, but in this case right now I'm probably just going to stick it on the actual blade just because I don't want to cut the wires that are already stripped out. So I'm just going to kind of push the wire into it. I've never actually done this before, this method, but basically just pushing the wire into the top of the blade just so I can cut the part that hasn't been cut yet. And then once again, I'm just going to bend it in half, and it just snapped, so that's right where we want it. And then you can slide it off, and then if you twist around, you'll see I started to nick it a little bit, but there's no copper showing. But the idea is to do it just the right amount so you don't damage the wire or nick it. As you can, I don't know if you can see that, there's a little nick in it. Probably can't see that, but anyways, that's the goal, and that's how you do it. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just doing a short little video there for you guys. Maybe this will help someone down the road if they're searching how to strip SJT wire, or if you're just interested in watching videos. Anyways, thanks guys, appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Like, subscribe, comment down below, all that good stuff. I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Peace out.